Piano Run is a learning game with the purpose of teaching people the finger placement of chords on a piano. It is an endless runner game made in Unity, where the player can jump over and slide under obstacles. The player is challenged to see how far they can come without dying. The environment and player character of Piano Run is made to resemble a rat running through a sewer. It is made in a 3D modeling program called Blender. The player is able to perform 4 actions: jumping, sliding, and turning left and right. Those actions are performed by playing chords on a MIDI keyboard. Player character moves faster and faster, so the player needs to be quick to react to the oncoming environment. This game has been tested by interviewing and polling 21 people. Most test participants did feel their ability to play chords improved during the test.